Welcome to Dollars and Cents, your guide to personal finance success. In this video, we'll cover the essentials of budgeting and how it can transform your financial life. Let's get started. Section 1. Why budgeting matters. Budgeting is the key to financial control. It helps you track income, prioritize expenses, and make informed decisions. With a budget, you can achieve your goals and build wealth. Section 2. Creating your budget. To create a budget, gather your financial information and categorize your expenses. Use a budgeting method like the 50-30-20 rule to allocate your income effectively. Set realistic goals within your budget. Section 3. Tracking expenses and staying on track. Track your expenses using apps or spreadsheets to stay accountable. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Avoid overspending by practicing mindful spending and staying motivated. Congratulations! You're now equipped to create and stick to a budget. Budgeting is about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Join us on this journey to financial success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips. Let us know in the comments what budgeting topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right budget, you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Stay tuned for more practical advice and strategies on Dollars and Cents. Until next time.